As the ancient Greeks associated orchids with fertility, they also used this bloom to predict gender. Orchids with large roots symbolized a male baby, while the small ones symbolized a female baby. As orchids are still a symbol of fertility today, they're the perfect flower to celebrate baby showers, growing families, and newborns. In addition, the symbol of fertility is also recognized in Japanese culture as a beautiful meaning of this particular bloom. The Japanese culture saw the ability of orchids to thrive in a variety of environments, including both mountain habitats and the plains. This symbolizes strength, power, and lavishness. Ancient Chinese medical practitioners were drawn to the orchid flower to help treat brutal coughs and lung diseases. Green orchids remain a symbol of good health in most cultures. As such, orchids can be found in many homes and offices to bring good fortune in both their personal and business lives.
In regard to the actual plant, the numerous roots anchor the plant to the ground, leading up into the pear-shaped like leaves. These roots may stick out and have a dull greenish color or have a silverish color with some purple streaks. They grow better in waterways and are best known to grow in places like the Bahamas, Cuba, and Florida. The leaves appear green and have a hard, waxy coating. They are very sturdy and have about 5 to 6 leaves on almost every plant. As a full-grown adult orchid, they can grow up to 12 inches long in each leaf. From the ground up, this stem is the second part of the orchid. It can grow up to 12 to 14 feet long and can grow over 40 buds of the orchid. When it comes to the pollination of this flower, the orchid could be pretty sneaky. Some orchids use their nectar to lure in the pollinators. The nectar attracts the insect pollinator to the flower. Then, as the pollinator extends its proboscis to drink the nectar, pollen is deposited onto the body of the insect. As it goes to other flowers, it will do the same action. When it comes to the buds of the orchid, they will usually emerge in late winter or early spring. Many orchids bloom once a year, but some even bloom twice. They usually live for about 2 to 3 months. All in all, the orchid is a beautiful plant that is uncommonly found in nature but is pretty commonly exploited.